Mike Hughes here. I'm at Fort Young. And Denise, you want to tell us a little bit about the island and whatnot?
Absolutely. So welcome to the Dominican stand. So my name is Dinesh. So Dominica has been the Caribbean best kept secret for a while. It has been rated the #1 island now this year by Travel + Leisure World Best Award for 2022, #1 island in the Caribbean. So yeah, so Dominica is booming in terms of business now. Direct flights out of Miami with American Airlines non-stop to Dominica. So it's been a game changer. So we are at Fort Young Hotel. So Fort Young is an adventure hotel. We branded as well as the island included resort. Lots of adventure, what you can do. We are right on the shoreline where you get to enjoy
beautiful dinners.
Absolutely, beautiful dinners, diving, adventures to the nearest, attractions of Dominica. So it serves well as a base camp. Unlimited shore dives, diving. So we had the Dima show, divers getting really excited.
Right.
And we have sperm whales as well in Dominica, which are the resident whales, and you can even swim with them as a bucket list experience.
Perfect. And then you have shore excursions too to the forest and whatnot.
Absolutely. So there's a lot of adventure as well on land, from hiking to waterfall to hot spring, thermal spas. Hiking the second largest boiling lake in the world after New Zealand is in Dominica.
And everybody wants a hard-boiled egg from there.
Absolutely. And jumping out from the canyons and all this. So very extreme adventure compared to the rest of the Caribbean.
Perfect. All right, that wraps it up. Oh, if they want more information about Fort Young, where do they go to?
So they can go to our website, so www.fortyounghotel.com.
fortyounghotel.com.
Or they can email us on info@fortyounghotel.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.